Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to discuss with you a new little feature which makes the life of the support team far greater and easier, is the Anydesk incorporation into our software. Now Anydesk is very similar to TeamViewer. It allows us to remotely access your till or your back office to help with any instructional or any issues you may have with the actual software itself. Firstly, all you need to do to access this is log yourself in. You click onto the purple arrow right here, click that once. There's a system status there, click on that one. And then you can see there's an Anydesk icon here. You click on that, it will then instantly load the Anydesk software. Then all you need to do to get any of the support team to access your till or back office is give them this number here, right here. We can then type it in on our end, and then you give us permission to access it via a little tick box. Then we can jump on straight away and help with any instructional advice or any issues you may have. I do hope this has been useful. I'll catch you next time. Thank you very much.